How to give access to Facebook business page. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can give access to Facebook business page. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first of all, you need to open your facebook.com on your browser. After that, you just need to log in and show your Facebook page account. Just switch up to a Facebook page account if you're on your Facebook official account. After that, go to the professional dashboard, and here just scroll down a bit. At the left side of the screen, just scroll down a bit until you see this page access option. Just click on it and you'll be able to see these people with Facebook access. So in order to add someone to give Facebook access, what you're going to do is simply click on the add new option at the bottom at the side. You can see, just tap on next after reading the terms and wait. After that, here you may just give access if someone is here. Right now I don't have anyone, so I'm just going to cross it out. Same goes with the task access. Like if you turn on this task access and add someone, Facebook will give them access to provide with some task, like they can perform some specific task. You may just go here and search by name or email address and then add that person here in order to give access for the task. After that, you will be able to see this community managers. Community managers can moderate comments, suspend, or remove people. So just click on manage and you can add anyone in order to make the community manager, in order to make your account more delete comments or ban people from your life or something like that. And just type in your add community manager and type in the people that you want to add by email address or something, and just get back. Let me just get back after this. After getting back, you'll be able to see all of this bunch of this access. So these are the access that you can give in Facebook. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.